Want to know how to solve TikTok unable to authorize try again problem? Hello everyone, I'm Jasmine from Take My Life and today I'll walk you through the process of how to solve TikTok unable to authorize try again in TikTok. It's pretty simple and quick, so let's get started with the video. Firstly, you have to open settings on your screen. After that, you need to locate the apps option and select the Manage Apps option. Here, tap on the search bar and search for TikTok app. Tap on the clear data icon at the bottom right corner of your screen. And select Clear Cache option. Likewise, tap on the App Permission option and make sure that you have allowed all apps permission. If not, then make sure to tap on the Allow button. Furthermore, check whether your issue has been resolved or not. If not yet, you need to make sure that no VPN is connected on your device because it might create this kind of issue on TikTok. Similarly, open Play Store app on your screen. Tap on the search icon at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now tap on the search bar at the top of your screen and search for the TikTok app. You will need to update the outdated TikTok application by tapping on the Update button. So this is how you can solve TikTok unable to authorize a try again problem. Thank you for watching Take My Life. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.